The MTP136D is a modern panel mount radio for special role and multi-mission platforms. Designed with the U.S. Forest Service and aerial firefighting operators in mind, the MTP136D is a Project 25 VHF FM solution for digital and analog channels across the 136 to 174 MHz frequency band. Programming your radio and editing tones is simple. With an intuitive menu-driven interface, the MTP136D is easy to use with simple functionality fit for any user. The radio is easily integrated for tactical systems, upgrades, and is a plug-and-play replacement for existing legacy radios. The MTP136D features a large NVIS-compatible screen displaying all critical information. The display clearly indicates the radio you currently have selected. In this example, you can see the main radio is currently the radio in focus. The MTP136D has a main radio and a guard radio. Pressing the main guard special function key changes the focus to the guard radio, showing guard in the upper left corner of the display. Pressing the main guard special function key again switches it back to the main radio. The radio that is in focus will be the radio affected by any edits or channel changes being done. This indicates the channel bandwidth and modulation. The options are N for narrowband, W for wideband, and D for digital. Here, you'll find the channel number. There are 5,000 channels available in total. The channel name is listed and easily identified. Each channel name can include up to 15 characters. Here, you will find the zone name. There are up to 40 zones that you can use to organize your 5,000 available channels. The RX, or receive indicator, will be highlighted when receiving on the channel. The monitor indicator will be highlighted when you press the monitor special function key, which will override the squelch to monitor the channel. Here is the receive frequency, and here indicates the selected receive tone. You will find the transmit indicator here, which will be highlighted when transmitting on the channel. The transmit power can be seen here. You can toggle between high-low power by using the high-low special function key. The transmit frequency is front and center, as is the transmit tone. And finally, the guard receiver indicator shows both the transmit and receive channels that the guard is currently set to. To change the receive frequency, press Menu on the keypad. Select Option 3 to enter the edit function. Then select Option 3 again to enter the receive frequency function. Use the keypad to type in your desired frequency. And finally, press the rotary selector to complete loading your new frequency. To edit a receive tone, start on the home screen. Simply press the menu button. Using the keypad, select Option 3 to access the Edit menu. From there, select Option 5 on the keypad to edit your receive tone. Now, turn the rotary selector to choose between CTCSS tone, DCS code, or none, which is indicated by a double dash. In this example, we chose tone. Press the rotary selector to make your selection. Simply scroll to the tone you would like to add, and finally press the rotary selector to enter and complete loading your new tone. To change the zone, press Menu on the keypad. Select Option 4 for zone. Use the rotary selector to scroll to the appropriate zone. Press the rotary selector once to make your selection, and then press the rotary selector a second time to enter and complete loading your new zone. To change the channel, you can either type in the desired channel number using the keypad and pressing the rotary selector to load your new channel. Alternatively, you can edit the channel by pressing Menu on the keypad. You then press option 5 for channel. Use the rotary selector to scroll to the appropriate channel from your pre-loaded list and press the rotary selector once to make your selection. And then press the rotary selector a second time to enter and complete loading your new channel. Changing the guard channel follows the same sequence used to change the channel on the main radio. Simply select the main guard special function key to focus on the guard radio. You can type in the desired channel number using the keypad and pressing the rotary selector to load your new guard channel. Alternatively, you can edit the guard channel by pressing Menu on the keypad. You then select option 5 for channel. Use the rotary selector to scroll to the appropriate guard channel from your pre-loaded list and press the rotary selector once to make your selection. You then press the rotary selector a second time to enter and complete loading your new guard channel. To import your custom channel list, simply insert a USB Type-C thumb drive into the port on the front of the radio. Once your thumb drive is in place, press the menu button on the keypad to start the import procedure. Select option 9 for more. Now select option 4 for import. And press the menu button again. Simply select option 1 to import and start the data transfer. Once the import has been successful, press Menu using the keypad again and return to the home screen. And that's it, you're done. The MTP136D has 4 separate special function keys, which can be used to perform some of the most commonly used radio features. The recall special function key is used to quickly change between the current channel and the last channel that you were on. The monitor special function key allows you to listen to any and all communication, regardless of signal strength or the tone being used. The main guard special function key allows you to switch between the main radio and the guard radio with ease. The high-low special function key allows you to control the transmit power between 1 watt and 10 watts for the current radio that you are on. You can see here the transmit power indicated next to your transmit frequency. Designed for use in the harshest mission environments, we believe the MTP136D is the most advanced, reliable, and user-friendly aerial firefighting radio on the market today.